If you are wondering if you can recover deleted messages and conversations or chats on a POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, then the answer is partially yes, at least right now as I'm recording this video. So if we go to Google Messages and if you try to remove a whole chat or conversation, then in this case the chat is moved to trash or bin and it stays there for 30 days and you have 30 days to recover. And if you don't do that, then of course after that time the chat is permanently removed. So you can tap on your Google profile in the upper right corner, then you can choose trash, and over here if you tap on the chat that you want to recover, then of course it should be selected, and then you can use this icon over here, this clock with an arrow, and you can of course recover all chats at once that you have here in trash by using exactly the same icon. Instead of recovering, we can also of course permanently remove all of these conversations, and this is just for chats or conversations. Unfortunately, if you try to remove an individual message or just a couple of messages at once, it doesn't really matter. In this case, this action is permanent and cannot be undone. Now, of course, I'm saying that this is how it looks like right now as I'm recording this video, and there is a chance that in the future there is going to be an update where it's going to be possible to actually just send that message to trash instead of immediately removing it forever. And the thing is, why I'm saying this is because in the past we couldn't send to trash anything, so even a whole chat was straight up removed forever. But that has been recently changed, and now we can actually, not like we just do send it to trash for 30 days. So perhaps in the future we will be able to do that with individual messages. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.